What is going on YouTube? Jeff Weibo here. I am back. I'm at the 29 unit property that I have in my corporation, Foundation Capital, and we're gonna be checking out the 29 units here. I thought I'd bring you guys along and see some of the progress. We have lots of renos on the go and a lot of it's actually getting done and rented right now, so it's pretty fantastic to see, and let's check it out. Waiting for laundry. Looks like we're waiting also for backsplash here, but it's templated. We got the countertops in, appliances you guys saw yesterday. We're hitting my credit card, so they should be here shortly. And one bed, it's looking good. And a closet, look at that. Look at that, look at that. Oh yeah. And check. Good mirror. And just gotta get this a little bit cleaned up because it's still working, but looking like a bathroom. Let's see what else I can find. 10. Ooh. All right. Who left the fan on? Costing me money. Whoa. Wow. There we go. This one's ready to rent. And closet. All right. Big one bed. And yeah, we try to do it mostly the same in every single unit. Different crews sometimes, but love adding in-suite laundry. No adult wants to go to a common area and give me their coins. Add in-suite laundry, get a higher rent. Dishwasher, nobody wants to do dishes. Make sure you have a dishwasher, and that's about it. Therefore, they're pretty self-contained in here. They got a bedroom, mount their TV up here. Life would be good. Just need it rented. Let's go, rental agents. But yeah. So, is that a soft close? Couldn't tell. Let's try this one. Oh, yep. Soft close. There we go. All right. Let's see what else we can find. 11 locked. Sorry if that was a unit. How embarrassing. All right. Oh, I hear construction now. We got 14. Hi guys. Hey, 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 hey. Don't mind me. You're on Candy Camera. Oh yeah. I've seen that video. Shower. Exposed brick here, that's kind of cool. We'll have the toilet here, vanity here. Noisy over there. Don't mind me. Keep working. That's a cool bedroom. Check this bedroom out.
This unit will be like 90% done today, other than the electrical and the counters and stuff. So
That's looking good. Another nice one bed.
well, no, they,
All right, going to the penthouse. This is the penthouse, guys. We gotta label it. Look at that. Tomorrow? Yeah, I might come back. We'll see. I might go to Ingersoll tomorrow. Nice. So you sprayed this brick? Oh geez, I walk right by this part too. Nice. I don't think I've ever been this deep in this unit. That's a cool room. I'd live here.
Yeah.
You gotta walk
That's
up.
the first one.
Yeah. I'd live in all our units. Like, we do a good job.
You can't break too much in this whole structure, you really can't.
No. Such a unique building. Hey, how's it going? There's another one. Hi there. Hey, good, thanks. Another unit. Pretty easy when we get all, hello, the same stuff. Fire escape there. Oh, nice big closet. And backsplash done. All good. Don't.
Fantastic. Good
It's
job,
amazing. All right. Hi. Yeah. Hey, Nick. Jeff. Hi there.
Do you want a coffee?
No. Well.
You all right?
Well. Why, you have spare?
Well, I can
No, I'm good.
right now. Just run down there.
No. I should get you guys coffee. Thank you, sir. Thanks, me. Let me see this one. Oh, here we go. Here's another nice one. Look at that closet. Oh my goodness. Huge. Gonna be another nice little apartment for somebody. Your artwork up there. I love New York City. I love backsplash. I love exposed brick. Oh yeah. I'd rent it. All right, let's see what I find down here. You still gotta paint these halls, but why would you do that until you're done renos? Hi, Cindy.
Hi. It's going up there right now with charcoal air freshener.
All right, check this one out. I know, again, they look the same, but they're not. It's another unit. We just do the exact same thing. See, it's different, right? Okay, check this unit out here. We're just on the street side here. It was designed a while ago, so it's gonna be a slightly different, but it is rented. So we got this furnished. Cleaners are coming in. Just showing you guys raw what we got going on. Closet here, windows. Oh yeah, this was my suggestion. That was going down to the basement, and they're like, well, let's just block this off. I said, no, don't lose square footage. Put a board here. Yeah, they're not gonna go to this basement, which has got all the mechanical stuff. That's a closet for them. Store your totes in there, your Christmas tree. Life is good. They still have another closet over there. Don't just lock doors or board things up. Let's use the space, because if I'm a tenant, I need that. So we got the kitchen with the island here. Pretty nice. It's been a while since I've been in this unit. In-suite laundry, like I talked about. See, we were able to put that one in the closet. Whoa. If I can find lights. Huge bedroom. And there we go. You can do a little desk right there. That'd be nice for a tenant. Huge closet. Get a curtain there, door, worst case. Yeah, nice little apartment here. Oh yes, and hi guys. In the bathroom. Okay. All right, here's another one. I've shown it on Instagram super fast, but our kitchens again. And our bedrooms. And this one's being shown tonight, so fingers crossed we'll get it rented. Beautiful bathroom. Nice units. Okay, YouTube, thank you so much for watching along. If you guys are new to this channel, I like to post renovations. So if you want to see what I'm up to, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to this channel, and you're gonna see a lot more real estate investing and a lot more real estate tips. Thank you guys, we'll see you later, bye.